Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll start delete node in Doubly Linked List. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given Doubly Linked List and its position. And what your task? Your task is to delete a node from given position, and it always start from 1. Okay. Now go to whiteboard. Now first we understand what is Doubly Linked List. Doubly Linked List means there are three parts. Every node have three parts. What parts? First node, this is head node. First one always head node. First one, this position are pre node, and last position this one are next node. Okay, so total three position in a node. Now you can check the first position, first part will null, and the last node last part will null. Okay, this pre value is null, and this last one next value is null. This is doubly linked list, and in previous video I already said single linked list. Go and check out. Now go to example 1. In example 1, this is our given linked list. Okay, now suppose linked list is typed like this one head node, 2, second node is 3, and then to third node value is 4. 4. Now x value is 3. Why x value here indicate which node position we have to delete. In x variable it will indicate that. Now in this x value is 3 means we have to delete 3 position node value. And always remember it have this linked list always start from 1. 1 index means this is one node, this is node 2, this is node 3. In x value it is 3, so we have to delete this third position node. If we remove this third position node, it will like this, 1 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This will like this, our updated linked list after deleting. This is like this. Okay, now go to next example. In next example, same as it is, we have given a linked list is 1 5 2 9. This is our linked list. Now which node we have to delete? We have to delete one position node. X equals to 1 position node. One position node means this position node. We have to delete this position node. After deleting, the updated linked list will be 5 2 9. This is updated linked list. Okay, now how can we solve this? We uh, it is very easy. Just we create a for loop. We create a for loop. Why we create a for loop? We create a for loop to traverse from 1 means node 1, from node 1 to x till x minus 1, till traverse till x minus 1, 1 to x minus 1. Then if current node is not null, then it will go to current node will go to next node. And if current node is found, current we have now we in second we just control two pointer. What two pointer? One is current previous pointer, and another is current next pointer. We have to now control these two pointers. Okay, if we found current previous pointer, then it will go to current next. Then if we found current next, then it will go to current previous node. Okay, now what is the time complexity? Time complexity is O of 1, and space complexity is O of n. That's it. Now go to code. In code, first we list an empty list. We initialize empty list. Then we check what node we have to delete. We create in first we have to delete head node. Okay, head node. Then we traverse node, which node is need to be deleted. So we traverse. We create a for loop. Already said. Then we create a if condition, which node is to be deleted, and if we found our desirable deleted node, then it will check this condition. This is two if condition. This is just nested if condition. Okay. Then if we found, then it will return head. Now compile and run, and now submit. We solved today's problem. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.